So I've been seeing a lot of French omelets lately. I think it's probably from that show Bear. If you haven't watched it, there's a scene in there where a girl on the show makes a French omelet for one of the employees, and she garnishes it with chopped potato chips. Everybody loses their mind. But anyway, I figured we'd take some time and make a French omelet together. So one of the many things of great egg cookery is a term that we refer to in the restaurant industry called mise en place. It basically means to have everything in its place. I'll show you what it means exactly here. I have 3 scrambled eggs, just whisked together in a bowl. I have some cheddar cheese and some chopped bacon in this cup over here. I have some butter, and I have my pan over pretty low heat, very low heat. This is a good non-stick pan. This is a large non-stick pan. You can use, obviously, a much smaller non-stick pan. Might be easier to go. But we're going to jump right into it. So the term mise en place refers to everything in its place, meaning all of my things are ready to go. I don't have to leave this space to do anything, and we can just cook. So here I'm going to add my butter to my low heat pan here, and it's just going to start to sizzle here. And I have a good rubber spatula, a towel, and you want a good rubber spatula. Just make sure whatever rubber spatula you buy is heat proof. It'll be good. A lot of times in the package it will say up to a certain temperature, but this one's made by Rubbermaid, red handle, white. Maybe many of you have seen it. Lots of professional restaurants use it. It's a great rubber spatula. They're not very expensive. So here we got our butter going. We're gonna go right immediately with our egg. And I'm gonna use a technique. I've heard of it as the washing machine technique, where I am holding my rubber spatula into the pan, and I'm really not focused too much on getting it even yet. The eggs are starting to curdle, and I'm gonna shake the pan while I have my rubber spatula sitting still. As soon as we see these eggs ready to set here, I'm gonna go right in with my bacon and cheese, and we're just gonna kind of make a little stripe right across. If you notice, I'm not quite center, I'm a little bit closer to myself. And I'm gonna work real quick, but we're gonna start. You see I have this little sheet here. I'm gonna start, and I'm just gonna push away from me, and we're gonna roll. We're gonna roll and roll. And this isn't perfect, but really the main thing on a French omelet, especially when you're first starting off, is if you do not want any color to your omelet. Ideally, as you get better, if I'm using a properly sized pan, this should be perfectly smooth. You can kind of see it here. It's nice and smooth. This part's nice and smooth. But here we have it in our thing, at the edge of our pan. I'm gonna put all this stuff down, turn my burner off, and for me, you can either hold the pan up like this. I have a plate right behind me. We're gonna put the plate down, and you can either hold the pan like this and scrape it out, or if you push it right up against the front of the pan there, you can hold the plate. And again, this works much easier if the pan is smaller than the plate. And we're just gonna flip it over to myself. You notice I have like a fist grip on this pan like this, and I just flipped it over, and here we go. French omelet. Again, it's not perfect, but it's pretty darn close. And here we are. We have our finished French omelet. It is not perfect, but that's not really the point. The point is just to show you how to make a French omelet, how easy it is to make a French omelet. You saw how quickly it came together. I had a hot pan, all my mise en place ready to go. And you can even have a couple different ingredients. Get your kids involved. They can pick and choose, almost like you're running a little mini omelet station, like a hotel, and make it fun for everybody. So this makes a real great weeknight dinner. We're gonna cut omelet, and it just comes together so quick. And again, the point is not to show you a perfect omelet. The point is to show you how easily it comes together. And if you're cooking with intent, you're doing more than most. So keep on cooking.